As battery energy storage systems move into new communities, residents are asking necessary questions about fire risk, toxic gases, noise, and long-term safety. Let's look at some of the most frequently asked questions.
Why are battery energy storage systems being built near where people live and work?
Energy performs best when it's close to where it's used. Placing storage near homes, campuses, and commercial centers improves outage response, stabilizes local grids during peak demand, and reduces the need for large transmission upgrades that disrupt neighborhoods.
How real is the fire risk? Can a single battery failure turn into a larger event?
Battery fire risk has declined with improved standards, but failures can still occur. Modern systems, like Etica AG's LiquiShield immersion technology, focus on preventing propagation at the source. The dielectric fluid surrounding each cell eliminates localized hotspots that trigger thermal runaway, absorbs heat instantly at the point of failure, removes oxygen from the ignition environment, and eliminates cell-to-cell fire propagation. This means a significantly reduced likelihood of large-scale thermal incidents and a system engineered to stop fire spread by design.
What toxic gases can be released? What does that mean for residents and first responders?
During abnormal events, lithium-ion batteries can release hazardous gases such as hydrogen fluoride, carbon monoxide, and hydrogen cyanide. Etica AG's HazGuard system neutralizes these gases inside the enclosure before release, significantly reducing exposure risk for nearby residents and emergency responders. HazGuard is currently the only integrated toxic gas neutralization system of its kind on the market, addressing the risk at its source rather than relying on external ventilation.
Will the system be noisy all day and night? Will it affect nearby residents' quality of life?
Noise concerns are common because traditional systems rely on HVAC and high-speed fans. Immersion-cooled systems eliminate most air handling equipment, resulting in quieter operation that behaves more like passive infrastructure than noisy mechanical equipment.
If there's an incident, will emergency responders be prepared, informed, and protected?
Public confidence depends heavily on emergency preparedness. Modern BESS projects coordinate with local authorities in advance, providing approved response plans, remote shutdown capabilities, and real-time monitoring. This ensures responders understand the system before an emergency occurs and have a clear procedure if one does.
Could the system pose long-term risks to soil, groundwater, or ecosystems?
Well-designed systems include sealed enclosures, secondary containment, flood-aware layouts, and certified recycling pathways. By integrating environmental protection into the system from the outset, projects limit long-term environmental risk, provide clear safeguards for the surrounding ecosystem, and move more smoothly through environmental review and approval process.
Will this project hurt nearby property values?
Property value concerns are often driven by perception. When systems are quiet, visually screened, and engineered for fire and gas safety, they function as low-profile infrastructure, and concerns typically diminish over time.
What should communities expect from community-centered energy storage going forward?
Communities should expect preventative thermal management, active gas neutralization, quiet operation, coordinated emergency planning, and long-term accountability. When safety and transparency are built into the design, energy storage earns trust as reliable infrastructure rather than as perceived risk. Battery energy storage systems are becoming essential infrastructure, and their success depends on more than performance metrics and code compliance. Projects gain acceptance when safety drives design, risks are addressed at the source, and accountability extends across the full life of the system. By integrating fire prevention, gas neutralization, quiet operation, and environmental safeguards, modern systems can meet community expectations while building lasting trust. And this is the standard Etica AG is committed to delivering.